Hello, Achieve. Happy Tuesday. I'm happy to be back with you on Morning Assembly, and I really want to talk with you about honor and also President's Day. So let's go ahead and start with our Pledge of Allegiance. Everybody please stand, salute, and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, have a seat. Okay, so I know that Mr. Wright talked with you guys about honor yesterday, and so I just really want to review super quick. The definition that we're going to look at today is about showing respect for yourself and for others. And we have a holiday coming up that's called President's Day. And President's Day is a day that's set aside so that Americans are able to celebrate our past presidents, including George Washington, who was our first president, and Abraham Lincoln, who was our 16th president. And both of these men did amazing things for America. George Washington helped get America started. So he's definitely somebody that deserves our honor and respect because he's done a lot of great things for us. And that's why we have a holiday set aside for him. So I want to show you a little video that talks about George Washington, and so that you can learn a little bit about him.
George Washington was born on his dad's Virginia plantation in 1732. He got famous for fighting the British during the French and Indian War, and then he got mega rich by marrying Martha Custis, a very wealthy landowner. To this day, George had the most Benjamins of any president, as well as the most slaves. He led the Continental Army during the Revolutionary War, which made him a national hero, and then he led the Constitutional Convention in 1787, upgrading his status to legendary. So when the country needed a respectable first president in 1789, George was the obvious choice. As our first president, he established a lot of precedents. He created the federal court system, the first cabinet, he helped usher in the Bill of Rights, and he chose the title Mr. President. And he always looked serious because his dentures gave him a perpetual frowny face. Most importantly, he retired in 1797, showing our future leaders that presidents weren't kings. Sadly, George died on his Virginia plantation only 2 years after retiring. He didn't leave behind any children, but he did leave behind a functioning democracy with 241 towns, 26 cities, 5 mountains, and a state named after him.
Okay, so George Washington did a lot of great stuff for America. I mean, he basically got America started. Without him, we might not even have an America. So he definitely is somebody who deserves honor. So I'd like to know, who are some other people in your life who deserve honor? And how do you show honor to them? Have a great day, Achieve.